Hi, I'm Nellie Ryan, Director of Group Grind and Shine, and also known as Nosy Nellie or ScentedRyans. I am so excited. You are hosting a Scentsy party, and this is a big party here. You might be hosting a big party, or you might have a smaller like pencil pouch, which is a pouch party. In either case, I'm so excited for you because you are on your way to earning some free and half price Scentsy. I'm going to just show you a few quick things to help you earn as much as you possibly can in free and half price stuff. So inside your bag, you'll find a whole bunch of stuff in here. The few things that I'm going to bring your attention to are, obviously, there's going to be order forms. If you need more, please reach out. I will get more order forms for you. Inside, there's also a host envelope, and in this envelope is where you will keep all of your completed order forms and the money that if people are paying cash. I do not accept checks, sorry guys, but cash or credit card or debit card only. I do accept PayPal, so if that is a way that your customers would like to pay, I can accept that as well. So just let me know and I will send you the email address for that. Actually, it's nellie.ryan@yahoo.com, so they can send it friends and family directly to me once you have a total. But this is where you're going to record the name of your customers, the subtotal. This is before tax and shipping right here. I'm sorry, before tax, no shipping. And then this is your total amount that you'll be collecting either by card, cash, or PayPal. And then you'll check off how they paid so you know that they paid right here on the envelope. So it's a great tracker. And then at the bottom it shows you your host the host chart and what you earn based on how much you sell. And so basically at $200, that is where all the fun starts. Everybody gets free shipping at $200, and you earn free and half price stuff. So you're going to start earning $20 free. It's going to be 10% of the total amount. So if you have at $200, it's $20. If you're at $250, it's $25. If you're at $300, it's $30, and so on. And then you get a half price item. If you get to $350, you get a second half price item. If you are sitting in the 400 range, I strongly urge you to reach for 500, because at 500 you get a 15% return on your sales. And that means that if you're sitting at $450 in sales, you're going to get $45 in free product credit. But if you can reach to that 500, you're going to get $75 in free product credit or more, and 3 half price items. So that's super exciting. One other thing that I want to share with you too is that now Scentsy is allowing us to apply host rewards to the starter kit. And it's a smaller kit. It's a $59 kit. You get a warmer wax and all the business supplies. But you can apply a free product credit to it. So that means that at $200, you can pay $39 and join Scentsy, become a consultant. If you get to 500 in sales, you join for free and you still have $16 left to spend. And all of your half price items, you can use those towards customizing your own kit. So how exciting is that? And then you will also find in here some tips for a successful catalog party. Make a wish list, share it with me. Please let me know what you're wanting, because then we can set a goal and get as much as you want for free and half price. And let me tell you, a lot of people are super surprised. They'll just say, oh, I just want a few bars of wax and a couple, warmer or two. But if you are really wanting to maximize your host rewards, I can help you with that. So send me your wish list and your budget, and I will get your rewards right where they need to be. Show your excitement for the product, share it with everybody, but don't just set it on the break room table at work, because nobody's gonna look inside. You have to actually open up the scent testers. You're gonna have scent testers, right? Open up the scent testers, put it under people's noses. Be there with them, talk with them, share with them, talk about the products and why you love Scentsy so much. It's the smell that sells, guys. So once you get that smell underneath their noses, you're more than likely going to get some sales from them. And give them a deadline. If you leave the bag sitting on the break room table for 2 weeks, nobody's going to order. If you say, all right, I've only got this for 3 days, guys, then everybody is going to want to take a look, and they're more likely to place the order. Think about it. When you know that there's only like 4 or 5 left on Amazon, are you more likely to place that order now, or are you going to wait and take the chance that it's going to be out of stock, right? So that sense of urgency will help in sales as well. Be sure to show your friends and family the bundle and saves, which are right in the back of the catalog. So these are always sales, guys. So if you're not hosting, you're missing out, but you do get an opportunity to get things free and half, or not, I'm sorry. Well, yes, free, yes, because when you buy 5, you get 1 for free. So that is our 6-pack. But there's lots of options here on the bundle and save. So be sure to share that with your friends and family and coworkers, or whoever that you're sharing Scentsy with. And then also in here, there's a little bit more information about joining, and here's the compensation plan. Also, as far as your customers, you're going to want to share with them this graph, or this grid here in the back of the catalog, because not all of the Scentsy products come in every fragrance, and so you want to make sure that what they're wanting to buy comes in the scent that they want. So make sure that you're looking at this. We have Scentsy bars, room sprays, circles, scent packs, travel tins, car bars, and Scentsy pods for the Scentsy Go. We also have laundry products, clean products, and body, so lotions and shower gels and things like that. So you're definitely going to want to take a look at this. And also, you can take a look. You can take a look at the rest of the tips and tricks, and please always feel free to reach out to me. I'm available anytime you need some help or tips to make sure that you have a successful party, because it's all about you, right? You want to get free and half price stuff. So here is what the card should look like on how to take outside orders, and this will walk you through exactly what you need to do from beginning to end to place the order. Now, I do need all of the information on the order form, everything. I need all of their contact information, because if Scentsy ever asked, I need to be able to prove that they are actual customers. Plus, I also need to be able to reach them in case I have a question on maybe their card information, their order, or what have you, and also to make sure that they are happy with their order once they received it. So I will follow up with them to make sure that everything is working properly and that everything is to their liking. So that's part of my customer service, and so I do like to follow up. Also, another thing that you'll find in the big party or in the pouch party is going to be something similar to this. This is my opportunity packet, and it'll have a catalog in there, as well as some information about Matt and I, and some information about the opportunity and potential potential income. There is an income disclosure statement in there, but also just what you can expect if you decide to become a consultant with Scentsy. So all of that, you'll find that in the big party. You'll also have another catalog and a couple of showcase brochures, so you can share that with your friends and family and coworkers. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And I'm so excited to see what you earn just by hosting a Scentsy party. So have an awesome day.